Hey guys, welcome back to my crypto channel. And this video I will talk about Toshi coin, which is actually less talked about, but again this token hold a good potential. In this video I will try to analyze it technically and match it with fundamentals and see how high this token can go in the coming future, which means in the Q4 of 2025. I believe base chain is going to have a good time this year, especially the meme coin on base chain is about to pump very high, just like Solana did back in the days. So with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about Toshi coin. So again, you can see here the chart looks quite pessimist. If you see a big highs made, then dump, high and dump. Let me draw a trend line to show you what is happening. So token dumped, then pumped, then dumped, then pumped, then dumped, then pumped, then dumped again. So clearly the token is actually having a good volatile nature, which is actually very good for a meme coin. That means it is getting buyers at the bottom and getting sellers at the peak. That also means people are showing interest in this token. That is a good sign for a good token to invest in, especially in the category of meme coin. Let me talk about its number here, which means it's market cap, which is just $253 million, which is very low for a meme coin. That means right now it is very much undervalued. The total supply is 420 billion token, which indicates that supply is quite huge, but for a meme coin it is quite less. So the chances of this token hitting $1 billion or maybe $10 billion is quite high, given the fact we are just sitting at $253 million and market cap is very low and supply being still very high, but the price is again very low. A good time to invest in an undervalued token. Now the fundamental which I believe confirm my bias about the token pump is this listing on Binance Alpha and it's shifting from base chain to PNB chain, which indicates a quite of interest of Binance on this particular token. When this happens, they are likely the token listing on Binance is coming soon. And you can see below it is already listed on Coinbase, which is a tier 1 exchange. So clearly a lot of rumors around this token to be listed on Binance, and when that happens you will see a good pump. But let me just go to the weekly chart, higher time frame, and see what we are getting here. So here you can see a very good or very strong pattern: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So clearly you can see the trend is up and soon it will break out. So the blue lines is showing you key support and resistance. When this pattern happens, the token will pump drastically, and when it pumped ballistically, it is about to go parabolic. That also means it can actually hit previous all-time high, which is 0.002. And if this coincides with the bull run of 2025, while you are in for a treat, you are in for a huge pump of Toshi coin. So I strongly believe Toshi is very much undervalued. From the current price of 0.305, I believe it will go down. It will test the level of 0.0004, which is here, before going up. And when that happens, it is going to break this blue line, which is its key resistance line, and when it breaks it will shoot for the moon. That is my analysis for this token. What are your thoughts about this token? What are your thoughts about tokens on base chain? Do you think this meme coin can pump or dump? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. To subscribe to my channel, I share daily crypto videos, especially on trading, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Thank you.